Hello, in this tutorial we are going to see how we can model a soap like this. I will start by hiding the soap. I will activate the screencast keys add-on so that you can see what I am doing down here. I will add a sphere, scale it on z-axis, S, Z. I will scale it a bit on y-axis, S, Y, and then on x-axis, S, X, this time making it a bit longer. I will shade it smooth and add one subdivision surface modifier to make it more smooth. I will give it a color and that's all. Let me rotate the view so that you can see how it looks like really a soap. I zoom a bit. Thank you.